much sadness, pain, emptiness, suffering, anger, at marami pang iba. But Momsies, remember na lahat ito pwedeng pumasok sa isip mo. But the good news is, you can always choose your thoughts. Meaning, pwede mong i-filter lahat ng pumapasok sa isip mo. Pwede mong piliin yung mga dapat mo lang entertainin at pwede mo rin namang piliin yung mga dapat mong tanggalin. And Momsies, minsan you also have to accept that you are weak. Kasi tao ka lang. So it's okay to cry and have a meltdown. In fact, our biblical heroes also face the same thing. Therefore, whatever you feel is valid. Kaya kung pagod ka, magpahinga ka. It's okay. But Momsies, do not quit.